Okay, so recording, and then I'll put the video up. All right, so what happens is that you just have to give me the missing angle measure. And so the worksheet's gonna elevate in difficulty, where in the beginning you want easy ones, and then when you flip it to the back, now we have algebraic expressions where we're gonna set up an equation where we just solve for x, and then there's a second sheet where then you solve for x and you find the angle measure. We'll do that tomorrow, okay? So, you know, baby steps. All right, so look, question number 1. All right, if this degree is 53 degrees, what is this question mark degree? If you zigzag, yes, right? If you were to zigzag, right? Okay, now what is the angle pair relationship between these two? It is outside of the parallel lines and they're alternating over the transversal. So what's that angle measure name? Anyone know? Alternate exterior angles. Remember, those are equal, they're congruent, right? Okay, if this is 65 degrees, what's this measure? 65, yes. What is the angle measure? If, say, you were to do the 4 squares, they're both in the upper right position. What is that angle measure? Anyone else? They're congruent, but corresponding? Corresponding angles are congruent. And so if you kind of write them, then eventually your brain just, you don't have to put too much effort into memorizing them. You just kind of remember it. All right, the third one, if this is 126 degrees, what's the question mark? 126. And what's the angle pair relationship? Very good. And if you don't want to write the whole thing, you could just go Alt-X if you want. Alt-X if you don't want to write alternate exterior. It's up to you. Okay, if this is 115 degrees, what's this angle measure? Yeah. And so what's the angle pair relationship? Corresponding. Very good. All right, 5, what's that relationship here? But they're just kind of opposite of each other. Starts with a V. Very good, vertical. And vertical angles are congruent, so this is 93 degrees. This degree is what? Yeah, 93. Okay, so I'll stop. You guys keep going. Just do the last 5. I'll wait, and then probably in about 15 minutes we'll start the back. And same thing, I'll start it with you guys. So just kind of do the rest. Give you guys time. All right, so I'm going to turn it off.